So here's a wild thought. What if your happiness isn't all in your head? What if chasing motivation through coffee and energy drinks or trying to think positive, one of the answers to happiness was sitting right there, in your gut? It sounds a bit bizarre, but science says otherwise. Dopamine fuels motivation. Serotonin keeps you steady. But here's the kicker. Your gut, and not your brain, in most instances, produces most of them. So that means your mood, well, it might start in your gut. Now, here's the crazy thing. Turns out, most of the serotonin made in your body is not made in your brain. Actually, 90% of it is made in the gut. And dopamine, well, your gut bacteria plays a huge role there too. So if your gut microbiome is not balanced, well, your mood, motivation, and even your ability to focus and think, well, that could take a hit. Okay, so imagine this. Your gut is like an underground nightclub, and the bacteria, they're the DJ, playing all the right beats to keep you in a good mood. But what if you've got the wrong crowd in there? Bad bacteria, inflammation, too much processed junk food. Well, it's like someone let a bad DJ take over, and suddenly nothing works right. Anxiety spikes, depression can creep in, and brain fog, well, those could be your new best friends. So, how can we fix this? Enter a-FMT, or Fecal Microbiota Transplantation. Now wait, before you go, ooh, what? a-FMT is like a gut reset. We take healthy gut bacteria from a screen donor and put it into a gut that's dysfunctional to reset it and make it function properly. This can help balance things like serotonin and dopamine and improve mood, amongst a host of other things. And guess what? a-FMT is already proving to be a game changer, and not just in gut disorders like C. difficile infections, but in mental health and neurological conditions like anxiety, depression, and even Parkinson's disease. And that's not speculation, that's the science. A study on major depressive disorder showed that a-FMT led to major mood improvements within weeks. And another study on Parkinson's disease, a condition linked to low dopamine, showed improvements in motor function and mental clarity. Imagine that, a gut treatment impacting the brain. That's the future of science. Now, a-FMT is still being researched, and it will require you to talk to your doctor to see if a-FMT would even be a fit. And it's not for everybody, and it's not for every condition. So, what can you do to balance your gut and help with neurotransmitter production? One option is prebiotics. Fiber-rich foods help to increase short-chain fatty acids, which play a huge role in neurotransmitter production. So what can you do to help support your gut and its neurotransmitter production? Prebiotics are one great option. So fiber-rich foods help support neurotransmitter production in the gut through increasing short-chain fatty acids. Diets high in fermented foods, omega-3s, and polyphenols, which are found in berries and green tea, help support microbiome diversity and support the production of neurotransmitters. These are two things you can do to help balance your gut and balance neurotransmitter production. A healthy and balanced gut microbiome can lead to a lighter, clearer, happier you, not just physically, but mentally as well. And when you think about it, it makes sense. A healthy gut means a healthier you. And this plays a role in neurotransmitter function, but also how we break down and use food to support our body and overall wellness. So here's the deal. If you've been struggling with gut issues, mood swings, and just feeling off, maybe it isn't you. Maybe it's your gut microbiome. And the good news is you don't have to stay stuck. Check out Novel Biome to learn more about the importance of gut health and the role the gut microbiome can play in overall wellness. Because real health starts from the inside out.